MPCC submits memorandum to safeguard Manipur to Prime Minister and Union Home Minister through Governor Dr. Najma Heptila. And Lok Sabha MP R.K. Ranjan urges Ayushman Bharat beneficiaries to approach BJP workers for any inconveniences while utilizing their health card. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Lighting Monica with the latest news updates. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC today submitted a memorandum to the Prime Minister and the Union Home Minister through Governor Dr. Najma Heptila, urging the central leaders not to let the culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks ever harm the territorial integrity of Manipur. Speaking to media at Raj Bhavan Gate after submitting the memorandum, former Chief Minister and MPCC leader Okram Ibobi says that the Congress party took the initiative to submit the memorandum as the proposed visit to Delhi to submit a memorandum to protect Manipur by all the political party team had been cancelled due to failure to get an appointment from the Prime Minister. He added that provision of an economic package with the conclusion of the peace talks to develop hill districts of Manipur is welcomed, but the conclusion must not disintegrate Manipur at any cost. Okram Ibobi also warned that the Congress party will unceasingly strive against any threat to Manipur.
State government na sinbirakani haina koi ngai leibani adubu hujik pawu sinbidrabani na akoi ngasi Honorable Prime Minister da memorandum ama submit taudana copy to Honorable Home Minister da copy to adu khoi Honorable Governor da akoi madugi memorandum du pisan jarubani adu manasu khudakta khoi mari leinaba Honorable Prime Minister da Home Minister da communicate tau khrani khudakta akoi na thamjari wafam singru thamgrani haidana takpirei Akoina Tajabadi 31st the Government of India with determination Amagaloina Koida Hana Haido Kibani Haida Taubatarasu or Kitan Zon Taraga Taubataragasu Nagaland the Koikasu problem like the Manipurasu Kuloiro Senapati Wero Tamanglo Wero Akoi Hek Ladyba Masia Koi Manipuri Laminasi Koi Manipuring Aftani Masi Sakanabana economic package Pivada Hara Gudamania Queen and welcome Taugadam Neva Taugudabu Mado Akoigi Manipuri Apun Masaktam Kairap Naba Maru Hunbadona Taubadudi Koyaba Sukam Moy.
Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan has urged the beneficiaries of Ayushman Bharat to inform the workers of Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Manipur Pradesh if they face any inconveniences in getting medical treatment at hospitals using their health cards. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan held an exclusive meeting with the beneficiaries at his residence in Kongba today. Speaking on the occasion, the MP lauded Prime Minister Narendra Modi for launching Ayushman Bharat, which is the largest health scheme in the world, providing health insurance cover of up to 5 lakh rupees to destitute and deprived families in the country. He stated that over 7,000 people have registered under the health scheme in Manipur. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan said that today's breakfast meet with the beneficiaries of Ayushman Bharat health scheme in the state on the occasion of Diwali festival was held under the initiative of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to address the plights facing the beneficiaries. Dr. R.K. Ranjan extended warm Diwali greetings to everyone and wished for the festival to bring peace and prosperity. He further hoped that the finalization of the ongoing Indo-Naga peace talks will not cause mayhem in the state.
October ki tang kuntra mathoi asida achauba Nagagi peace ki waroshanama porakadaba se masi aikhoi khudimangna lai khoraminaraga Nagagi matam chupagi oba shanti porakpa loinana yumlona badal leiriba Manipur aikhoi gi leibak aduga tongan ba state singa se masi peacefully makhoi da effect tawdana Nagagi shanti se khoi punamangna support tawba Manipur ki territorial integrity su kaihandaba Lebak Prajagi Mipai Nabasu Lahendaba Adumayam Ing Chikba Modi ji na pamjaba North East India se Ekoi Punamagna Sigi Numisidagi Ekoi Wakalda Amamba Lerambado Mado Dipabali gi Mangal Sinai Koi Singal Laga Santi Purakpa Ekoi Ing na Singa Leminaba Jati Masen Nungsinaba Haibado Nasigi Numida Sidagi Oirasi.
Taking part in the press meet, former Nagaland Governor P.B. Acharya lauded Manipur for its unique beauty and its immense potentials in various fields. He called upon everyone to contribute in realizing Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision for a peaceful country. In his Diwali greetings, P.B. Acharya wished for peace, prosperity and progress in the state.
Very, very happy Deepavali. Wherever our people are there, they should be respected and they should have an opportunity to enjoy all the benefits of independence. That should be the goal. Territory should come to us, should not be there. That way, we are thinking wherever the Manipuri people are there, whether in Delhi or here or the outside, our goal should be, government goal should be, they should have an equal, respectful life like others. So also Nagas, wherever there are Nagas are there, whether in Manipur or here or there in Assam, the ultimate goal should be the welfare of the people, and I hope this will be immediately in no way minimizing the effect of the respectability of the Nagas. Modi will act on that. So let us realize and be the nodal agent to convert Modi's dreams to strengthen Northeast in the future, in the near future.
Education Minister Thokjom Radhesham graced the 18th Foundation Day celebration of UNACO School at Maitram in Imphal West today. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Radhesham assured of positive changes in the education sector of Manipur in the near future. He acknowledged that there are various flaws and snags in the state's education sector last year. And Radhesham also expressed pride that Manipur secured the top position among the smaller states in India in the recent School Education Quality Index SEQI 2019 declared by National Institution for Transforming India Niti Aayog, and at the increasing pass percentage of Class 10 and 12 examinations conducted by BOSAM and COSAM. Minister Radhesham stated that the Ministry of Human Resources has sanctioned 480 crore rupees for improving the infrastructure of 401 government schools of the state. He also laid the foundation stone for building hostels of UNACO School on the occasion. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Nauria Pakhanglapa MLA S. Subhash Chandra and many eminent persons took part in the event.
Education Department is looked up anywhere koi chokra in nga other departments are so the big time na salo so uba salo so the yen apaso kitang mayam ubi of the university kitang thamjage yan another higher education na akoi quality am wale because akoi satra di absenteeism mingdi samri salangani kabana ni kutre kakani sabum salangani kabana shara kani ozana yang kaimani ozana du ozasin do mai to bigana do angang sing se higher education di quality wale apabakra tawri phai hairadi tawningi bitul laigano bane interest yaw go bane adu kari daw yo apabadu soya da fatma da mahai le ragadi adum sai sila ga mi do thakta bi thai sa bi sa rage thapur ge
Sangai Services, which provides various utility and domestic services, has launched its mobile app. Launching the app at its office in Uripok, Tarambam, Lekai today, company chairman Yailen Laichongba urged people in the state to utilize the app, which has been developed in association with Northeast Web Designing to get various domestic services. He mentioned that septic tank cleaning service is their latest addition. Yailen appealed to people to support the initiative, which is creating jobs for unemployed youths of the state.
Apps asi mobile application asi ki mateng dagi yam line mi waibagi khudong chaba hadi koina hana pijaramba servicing aju adumag adum piri aduga anauba service hengalakpada koina tank cleaning akoi toilet cleaning sengningai machine ju akoida gari leijare yam laiba mongda adi koin tanki adi toilet phun basing aju koina yam line service pijari.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on breaching of Imphal river banks at Napthangpung areas last night. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Afternoon News. Water levels of various rivers passing through the Imphal city have risen due to rains in the last couple of days. Imphal river banks bridged flooding Namthangpung areas of Chekon last night at around 10:30 p.m. Locals came out and built temporary retaining walls to block the overflowing river water. Local MLA Henry Okram and officials of the Flood Control Department took immediate stock of the situation. It may be recalled that the same area suffered severe flash floods last year. Chief Minister Nongthong Birane then assured to take appropriate measures to prevent the same fate. However, people in the area expressed disappointment that the Chief Minister has failed to take appropriate measures like construction of proper retaining walls till date to ease their plights. The residents remained apprehensive of experiencing yet another severe flash floods.
I know si Chekon gin nam than pung hai ba mafam adudani hai ba mafam asida nakan da chele ben phal to la si hangasi minini sida nong chu badagi singi mai ji tamna hengala kuna maram oraga nam than pung gi torenga tainai ba pansing asika kai gadra haiduna pakat padagi mafam asigi miamna hoji pan nasibu thingna ba kana honari nakana maramda Flood Control Department su hoji laktuna dimparsi na duna laiba hola ga JCB na hoji pan nasi thingna ba kan honari hiram asigi matangda namthan pung haiba mafam asida leiba khunja amadagi ising ichau sigi matangda khangminasi
ngarang nane nong chu gi bidi ko adu ngasi ising je hape phajana kare ba
khunja sing na kai sem panjing je thingna bo kai khonari ge
khoi wa nong khara phaglong khara tawraga khoi pakhang macha sing hai tare ko lakai gi pakhang macha sing anak palai bising gi dasu laga sum mateng pangna ra sura leirabni
ado hoji paugi na government gi side tagi sigi panjing ase thingna bo kai thok pa karge
masi hoji makoi na si laiba khara purak piba duga si JCB ga puraga khara kot pi se sinatna de atai di kaya thoidok pa laite hakumju amra kai gre hoji sum muka kai ningai tawduna muka tawribni akhoi na pamjar sidi yam phajana semdok pirba yam thana hojikti macha ne ba sembi ri se yam thana sembi roba yam phajana kaino tawbirba ko adugum do akhoi pame
masini hojik mahom asida laiba khunja singna phongdorpagi matungina haiba mahom asi mamang chei da su mahom asi maktada sing chawrokpadagi pan asi kaibadagi mahom asigi yum gaya ma ising thumduna laigrani mahom asi maktada Chief Minister masamang laktona mamang chei yengsin khrabani aduba hojik fawbagi oinadi turengi mapan sing asi paka oina phajana semgatpa phajana wall oina khagattabna maram oiraga hojik chu ngarang ga ngahan ga numini nongleptana chubuna mahom asida hoji ising mai chawkhalakpadagi isingi phut khar phaujalakpa adudagi wall singi maramaraktagi ising phaujalakpana maram khunja sing hoji pakatpa phaunari adu haiba mahom asi karma matamda Manipur lengang semjan bigador bino haiba dudi yengmina batari camera person bino kolon na paudam jere ba lakhi lai lakpam.
Arrangements are in full swing to celebrate the upcoming Ningol Chakoba festival. Impact News sub-editor Momoko Salam and camera person Bisojit Namairapam brings you an exclusive report.
Manipur ki khwaidagi chawba kumhai ama oiriba Ningol Chakobaga mari leidana Manipur ki khwairaban kaithelda oiriba phibam asi miyam punna meeting taminasi. Chakoba ka thenga bira mirima
hoi
handak chakoba se ani thoen tukun ga mapana kuntra do imai hoi gi karamba da kau bidori ge
hoi kuntra da hoi kaura ni bema
ada ani handak sumaina ani tholak pagi lak pa se ima da kai phau bi ge
yam nungai ti sarang nei karamba da kau do hai wa khan lon je si yam ngau hi hoje khoi
ima di chakoba sat pi roi dra
ayu sakani
masin mak ba oi begi nungsi be je chakoba si khaktana nungsi be mari se hen Chesilakani na khanbi brantraga
chesilakani na khale chahim gi manung dan ong tang thokuni na ne isili naw mayam ju unaraga nungsina ba prem da hen gra khale
ke kau
ai jotin
chakau ba gi pot lei birami bra
aw lei ba lain
chakau ba se tang ani thoi na se karamba doina kau bidori ge
akhoi de kontra da kaurani
ni ba pot chai lei bira bro kan
lai re
ningol ke ano kau bidoi se
pai ahum
chakau ba sat pi ga dro
sat ke ni
chakau ba se handak de ani thoi dana ko ani thok pa je karamba da tarage
handak ki tang kuma pan gi de imana nong pan ba yawe nungai te na tang kun tha gi doin chalan
handak chakau ba smaina ani tholak pa je isa da kai khanbi ge du sai
asa amu khak tang thok na di phai ba ni pha ba de am smaina ani thok pa je nung de nungai te
dala hujik je ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯗꯈꯤꯅꯥꯗ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
ꯗꯈꯤꯅꯥꯗ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯟꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯀꯣ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯆꯔꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯅꯔꯗꯤ ꯏꯕꯨꯡ ꯏꯄ꯭ꯋꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯆꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯐꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯗꯈꯤꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯟꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯇꯣꯛꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯀꯩ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯤꯒꯦ
ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯠꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯣ
ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯠꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯏꯅꯉꯩꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯁꯤꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯏꯕꯦꯝ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧ ꯃꯌꯥꯁꯤ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ 10,000 ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ 10,000 ꯌꯣꯟꯕꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯦ 5, 6, 7, 9 ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ
handa chakong bai posit se kamai
as handa ki chakong bai posit loire so che posit kanai bara piri ba di tek se thiri ba myam dina kain ka khulang ang kauk da bu yaw makha de oi pham lai ram dina sai da mata sit chako la ko de po yo mo de nungai ni ne khale yo li ne do as upai so lai lai tere chako bu de
Machil maupa oibagi nungsinabagi mari chetsin hanbata natana lamdam asigi khwaidagi chawba kumhai amasu oiriba ningol chakobana lakpada lamdam asigi miyamna harau tayamba ka loinana saruk yanari adubu lamdam asigi miyamna machil maupa oibagi nungsinabagi mari asibu hena chetsin hanba thamba pamlaga su hauzik uriba achau arangda hidanabagi shaktam asida asum chakhiba taragadi machil maupa oibagi mari aduda hena chetsin hanba ngamgadawri brahaiba adudi miyamgi thamoida mi painari Impact News ki dama miyam da paudam jari bi ai Momoka Salam Khwairamban Bazar Imphal.
Before we end, a quick look at headlines once again. MPCC submits memorandum to safeguard Manipur to Prime Minister and Union Home Minister through Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah. And Lok Sabha MP R.K. Ranjan urges Ayushman Bharat beneficiaries to approach BJP workers for any inconveniences while utilizing their health cards.